First job of the day, mokka, coolant leak. But it's also got service vehicle soon on. So I'm just gonna scan it with the manufacturer's GDS2, see what fault codes we get. Possibly fault codes with the cooling system. So I'm just gonna check that out and see what we get. So what we got a thermostat heater control circuit. That's probably due to the coolant leak, and then the bottle you got no coolant. So we've got a hood jar circuit as well, short to ground, ECU EEPROM, few fault codes. So I'm gonna make a report of these, put them on our report, and we'll check the coolant leak and advise for the rest to be investigated. Filled it up with water, put my pressure bleed on, pull it up. Now we're just going to go underneath and check for leaks. Second job of the day, it's EML on, so we're just going to give it a scan using Diagbox, which is the factory manufacturer's diagnostic software. So we'll just give that a scan, see what comes up. Next job, well not really next job, I've just been doing MOTs, just doing a MOT failure one. Failed on some bulbs, but obviously we couldn't do them straight away, we needed authorization from the customer. So just put a couple of bulbs in and we'll test it, and then hopefully MOT pass till the next job. Just a basic 30-year service, but it's got oil light flashing to come up with a message, top up oil. So we're just going to check the oil level, because these engines are known for the timing belt, wet timing belt to deteriorate and block up the engine or something. So we're just going to check the oil level and put that through on the VHC. Just changing the oil. Don't know who made these like this. When you crack them off, they start to pour out straight away. Always change the sump plug washers. So I've got a bit of oil on the new filter. Just going to put that on there. You don't have a problem with parts because they're the dealer, so it's all just comes straight from the hub as you do that. Nice and tight, hand tight only. Now we're just going to clean it up with some brake cleaner.